Hi, hello all. Today we are going to present a design thinking based activity in software engineering. In this we will explore how the design thinking process was applied to a software project to improve the user experience, functionality and overall design. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving that encourages us to look at the challenges from the user perspective and focuses on solving the real problems in creative and innovative ways. In the context of software engineering, it is often used to tackle the complex development projects where user satisfaction, usability, and meeting the user needs and a paramount. We will walk you through the each phases of design thinking process like empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test as we apply them to improve a software design, ensuring it better meets the user requirements and delivers a more efficient experience.
Empathy. Understanding the user's need. The first stage of the design thinking is empathy, where the goal is to understand the users, their needs, and the challenges they face. In software engineering, this step is crucial as it helps to uncover the actual problems, pain points, and the frustration that users experience with the system. For this case study, we begin by conducting users research, including interviews and surveys, performing key tasks to gain deeper understanding of their workflows. For example, user reported difficulties are navigating to the interface with some key features being hidden became confusing. We also found that there was a lack of clear feedback during interactions, causing a fluctuation when users did not know whether their actions had been successful. Through this observation, we developed a clear picture of this user's need, which became the foundation for the next step in our design process. Further will be explained by Liam.
Defining the problem. Once we have gathered sufficient user insights, the next step is to define the problem. The phase is about synthesizing the information collected during the empathy phase into clear, actionable problem statements that guide the design and development of the solution. From the research, we identified several key issues affecting user satisfaction. For example, users struggled to find specific features in the system because the navigation wasn't intuitive. Another problem was that the users didn't feel confident in the results the software produced, as there was a lack of real time feedback. By defining these problems clearly, we found pinpoint the core areas that needed to be improved, which included simplifying the user interface, improving system responsiveness, and offering clear feedback on actions. This phase helped us focus on addressing the most crucial pain points, ensuring that the solutions we designed would have a meaningful impact on the user experience. Further will be explained by Abhiram.
Ideate brainstorming solutions. Now that we had a clear understanding of the problem, it was a time to enter ideation phase, where we brainstorm potential solutions. During this phase, our team came together to generate a wide variety of ideas, from simple tweaks to more radical design changes. We conducted brainstorming sessions and used techniques like mind mapping, sketching, and brainwriting to generate as many ideas as possible. For example, one of the solutions we proposed was to redesign the software's navigation system to make it more intuitive and user-friendly by grouping related features together. Another idea was to introduce real-time notification that would provide feedback to users immediately after they performed an action such as submitting data or changing settings. We also explored implementing a search bar to allow users to quickly locate features and information. The goal was to think creatively and explore all the possibilities without judging or dismissing ideas too early. After generating a broad range of solutions, we evaluated them based on the feasibility, impact, and the user needs. Further will be explained by Art.
Prototype and test. Creating and testing solutions. The next two phases of prototyping and testing are where the real value of design thinking comes to life. During the prototype phase, we developed several low fidelity prototypes of the proposed solutions. These were not full scale implementation but simple models or mock ups of the new features and interface.